Please don't hang up on me, Mr. Scan.
Internal Revenue Service, how can I help you?
I got a message to call this number. I just got home and it was on my phone.
Well, when did you receive the phone call,
Oh,
sir?
gee, it was probably an hour ago. I wasn't gone that long.
Well, did it leave any message for you?
Pardon me?
Yes. Did it leave?
Leave a message? Yeah, it said to call this number. Something about an attorney?
Well,
I don't know.
okay. Well, this is Officer Mike Mayor from the Internal Revenue Service, and let me tell you, see, as there is a legal lawsuit issued against your name under the tax fraud default charges, so did you get any notification calls from the local sheriff department or the local IRS department to inform you about this matter?
I know.
Sir?
No.
In that case, I'll be here to explain you each and everything about your case information. But before I do that, I will want you to verify me your name and your zip code in this recorded line, okay? So that I can pull out the right information and give it to you.
Oh.
That's because we do not want to create any mistake out here in this recorded line, okay?
Okay.
So can you provide me your name, sir?
First name is Sean. S-H-A-W-N.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Shaw?
Sean. Last name's O'Queef. O''Q-U-E-E-F.
Okay. Well, so can you provide me your zip code, sir?
Sure. 29401.
29401. Okay, sir.
Yes.
Well, okay, sir. I'm sorry, sir. We are finding some difficulties in finding your information. We're finding so many names under Sean O'Keefe. So, sir, can you provide me your mailing address so that, sir, we can find your information easily?
It's 202 Kessler, Kessla Way, Charleston, South Carolina.
Okay. South Carolina.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, gotcha. Well, sir, let me tell you that as there is a legal lawsuit issued against your name, sir, I'll be explaining you each and everything about your case information. I do not want you to worry out here. So well now, sir, as this is a recorded line, which is being monitored by the IRS and the local authorities, sir, I don't want you to interrupt me and I want you to listen carefully. Once I'm done with my part, I'll give you fair enough chance to speak up with your questions. Okay, sir?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Well, so, as per the rules and regulations of the IRS and the U.S. Treasury Department, well, we usually conduct an audit on each and every of the U.S. citizens who are a regular taxpayer. So, well, as we were conducting an audit, well, as it is a mandatory duty for us to maintain a record on each and every of the U.S. taxpayers, well, we were finding some disturbance while we were making your records, as that is the reason why the Treasury Department had to look into your tax filings that you have filed, and from there, according to the recommendations sent by the Treasury Department, there were found that there has been some outstanding amount which you still need to clear to the IRS Department, and that is $7,874.
That's impossible. I don't make that much money.
Okay, so well, see, let me tell you that $7,784. Well, let me tell you, this happened due to the errors that we have found. Okay.
Well, I have people do my
Well,
taxes. I got an accountant, Howard, Fine and Howard, to do my taxes.
Okay, so well, who is the one? Can you give me the name of the person that filed your tax?
Mo Howard at Howard, Fine and Howard.
Okay, Howard, Texas, right?
Yeah, Howard, Fine and Howard.
Okay, well. So well, sir, let me tell you, this happened during the year 2014 to 2017.
Yeah,
Okay?
they were doing my taxes then.
First that
They
we
were
found.
doing them then. They've been doing them for years. I've been using Howard Fine and Howard.
Okay, well, so let me tell you, sir, do you file your tax by your own? Okay, so Howard files your taxes, right?
Howard Fine and Howard. Yeah, but yeah, Mo Howard does them for me.
Well, so now, what is he like to you? What is he to you? Is he your accountant or your CPA
No,
or your H&R
he's
Block?
the guy that does my taxes. He's no relation
Okay,
or
well,
anything. He's just the guy that does my taxes. Whoop, whoop.
okay, okay. Well, see, sir, let me tell you that
Huh.
I want you to be aware about this, that the H&R Block, your accountant, your CPA, your any other tax preparing agencies, they're not an issue from the government, neither from the IRS. So if they're brought down to the courthouse, then the courthouse will charge you. They're not going to charge the person who has filed your tax. That's because you're a person who provides your personal information, who files your
Right,
taxes.
I give him everything, and
So
Mo sends it in.
yes, well, so let me tell you,
Okay.
sir, as we have found these errors under your tax filings, that is, the amount which you entered into your tax filing, that wasn't accurate, that wasn't right. Well, you have given false information to the IRS, and the IRS has discovered strong evidence that you have failed to declare your actual income, and this was not the result of innocent negligence. We have the reason to believe that it was a willful act done with the intent to defraud the IRS.
How can you
And
say it
there are,
was
of course, serious
willful? If I
allegations.
gave him the paperwork and they sent it, that's not willful.
Sir, see, as for now, I'm so sorry to tell you that you're being listed as a criminal under the record of
What?
the IRS. That is the reason why we cannot send you any direct notifications, mail, neither from the letters. Okay? That's why we are giving you this direct call. That is this last notification call. As the Treasury Department has forwarded your documents, your text file documents to the courthouse, and the courthouse under the case file number 10CF104. If you have a pen and a paper, I want you to note this down, as this will be
Quiet,
useful for you to cancel your arrest warrant.
quiet,
So,
Lassie.
sir, do you have a pen and paper with you?
Yeah, go ahead. Stupid dog. Go ahead.
Yes, well, I have a pen and a paper with you right now.
Yeah, I'm right here. Yeah.
Okay. I want you to note down your case ID number. That is 10CF104.
Okay.
Okay, I want you to repeat your case ID number. That's for me to make sure that you've got the right information.
It's 1CF104.
It's 10CF104.
Oh, okay, I forgot a zero. Okay. Go ahead. Shut.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead.
And let me tell you that under the allegations, count 1, violation of federal tax regulation. Count 2, violation of Internal Revenue Code. Count 3, theft by deception. Count 4, willful misrepresentation of information to a government organization. Well, let me tell you, sir, that you, under the allegations of these 4 serious allegations, which comes under Chapter 13, Section 8, AOC, let me
Wait a
tell
minute.
you that the
AOC?
courthouse has... Yes, sir.
AOC. Okay. Go ahead.
Okay, so now let me tell you that the courthouse has issued an arrest warrant
Huh?
under your name.
A warrant?
Yes, sir.
For
Yes, a warrant against your
$7,000
name.
they issue a warrant?
Yes, sir, as you have defrauded with the federal government. And the 7,784 includes all your penalties, late fees charges, your legal tax fraud charges. Okay, sir? So now let me tell you that as the arrest warrant has already been issued under your name by the courthouse and has been transferred to the headquarters of the IRS department to look into your matter.
Uh-uh.
And well, as we have looked into your matter, we did not find any criminal activities found under your past
Oh, you
life.
didn't? That's
And as
good.
that you are, yes,
Because I've been
and as
arrested a
that you
few
have,
times. I don't know why you wouldn't know about it. Okay, go ahead.
okay, well, so let me tell you
This
that
was
as
just a little drug
we
charge.
did not find any criminal records, as well as that you are a regular taxpayer and a loyal citizen to the
I'm
to the
very
U.S.
loyal. I'm probably the loyalest guy you ever talked to.
Well, that is the reason why we are
Proud
giving
to
you
be
a
a member.
chance to prove yourself innocent.
Well,
to the
prove
courthouse.
myself innocent.
Okay? Like,
That's backwards.
yes.
That's backwards.
To prove yourself, it's backwards?
Yeah, you have to prove me guilty. I don't have to prove myself innocent.
Well, see, that's because, let me tell you, yes.
Hmm?
You, okay, so you say that you're guilty in this recorded line.
No, I didn't say I was guilty. I said you got to prove me guilty.
Okay.
I don't
well,
have to
see,
prove I'm
Mr.
innocent.
Well,
It's
Mr.
it's simple jurisprudence.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Well. Let me tell you, Mr. Shawn.
Yes.
I want to tell you that as there is an arrest warrant issued against your name, let me tell you that the IRS has looked into your matter, and as for the reasons that I've already told you, we are giving you a chance to prove yourself innocent to the courthouse by clearing the amount that you owe to the IRS
You
department,
don't get me.
cancel your arrest
We're
warrant.
not community. I don't have to
Okay.
prove myself innocent.
Okay. Well, in that case, what should we do? What do you suggest we should do? Should we take back Should we take back our hand that we're offering you, that we're trying to help you out here? Or are you willing to cooperate with the IRS department and cancel your arrest
Well, I
warrant?
want to cancel the arrest warrant naturally. I don't want to get arrested. I can't go to jail. I'm 76. 76-year-old man can't
Okay,
go to
well,
jail.
well, in that case, we're trying to help you, okay, sir? And so now let me tell you, if you do not want our help, you can take this matter to the courthouse, okay, by getting arrested for 3 days, as I'll be releasing your arrest warrant after our conversation
I'm
ends,
not getting arrested.
okay? Well, for 3 days, as
3
well as
days.
the sheriff, yes, as well as the sheriff along with our investigation team will be at your doorstep to mark a lien on your assets and put you behind a bar for the next 3 days. And after that, you can take this matter to the courthouse by hiring a criminal attorney, fight this case against the IRS, and in case if you lose the case, then you will have to pay with its penalty charges, that is
What?
$90,000 to the U.S. government,
If
as well as
I don't have
5 years of
70,000, where the
imprisonment.
hell am I going to get 90,000? I mean, it makes no sense.
Well, that's the rules of the courthouse.
Oh,
So
okay.
you will have to pay the $90,000 to the U.S.
Where am I
government,
going to
as
get
well
this
as
90?
5
Where
years
am I
of
going to get this
imprisonment.
90,000? I don't know.
Mr. Shawn, I do not know where you're gonna get this $90. If you're $90,000, which if you're willing to face this matter to the courthouse, then
I don't want to go
yes,
to the
you will have to
courthouse.
arrange. Okay, well in that case, we're offering you a help. That is, basing on your past records, we're trying to help you out here.
Okay.
Okay, so I want you to cooperate with the IRS department, cancel your arrest warrant, and we'll be sending the sheriff along with our investigation team at your doorstep with all the legal documents along with your canceled arrest warrant, and they'll be giving you a brief consultation on where and how you have done the errors. And
Well, you
in
better
case if
tell
it's
Mo
found that
Howard
you,
where the errors were. I don't know where the errors were. Mo
well,
Howard is the one that does my taxes.
okay, well, see, Mr. Shawn,
Yeah.
I will guarantee you that at the end of the day, you'll be out from this problem
Okay.
if you cooperate with us,
That's what I got to
okay?
do. I got to get out of this problem. I do.
Okay, well,
Oh,
so the IRS, we will be coming at your doorstep, okay?
okay.
Well, providing you with all the legal documents along with your canceled arrest warrant, and we'll be giving you a brief consultation on where and how you have done the errors, as well as if it is found that there was nothing done by your side, if these errors were not met by you, then well, we'll be refunding all the money back to you
Oh, okay.
again, okay?
Okay. That's
So,
Lassie,
well,
quiet.
if so, Mrs. Shawn,
Yeah.
if you're willing to cooperate with the IRS department, then I'm willing to transfer this call to the U.S. Treasury Department. So what do you want me to do? Are you willing to resolve this matter,
Yeah, I
or
want,
do you want
but
to take this matter to the
yeah,
courthouse?
but Mike, I don't have 7784. That's the problem here.
Okay. Well, the 7784, if you do not have full amount with you right now, then well,
Is there
it's
payments?
okay.
Can I make
There is
payments?
no problem. That is, you can come up with half of the amount that you can. So the possible amount that you can come up by today itself. Okay? That
I
is.
can probably come up with
So how much is
2,500, 2,500.
Okay, so 2,500 is a possible amount that you can come up by today itself.
Yeah, that's it. That would take
Okay,
everything I
well,
got.
then,
That would take every dime I got to my name. But it's better than going
well,
going to a jail, I guess.
yes. So, okay, in that case, I'll be transferring this call to the Treasury Department,
Okay.
where you can have a word with them, and they'll be assisting you on where and how you should make the payment. Okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Well, okay. I'll be transferring this call to the Treasury Department.
Okay. Transfer.
Well, you just hold the line.
Okay. Whoa, whoa,
Okay?
whoa, whoa, okay.
All right. Thank you very much for holding the line, Mr. Sean. This is the senior officer, Jason Brown from the IRS.
Jason.
How are you today?
Okay, Jason.
All right, so Mr. Sean, I believe my officer had
No,
explained
Sean's
you
my
about the
first name.
lawsuit filed against you by the IRS, right?
Sean's my first name.
I'm
I
sorry?
said Sean is my first name.
That's what I'm saying, Mr.
No,
Sean.
I'm not Mr. Sean. I'm Mr. O'Queef.
Who? I'm sorry, what was your name?
Sean O'Queef.
Yes, sir. So, I believe my officer had explained you about the lawsuit filed against you by the IRS,
Yeah, and
right?
he said I had to prove myself innocent, and I don't know how to do that.
Okay. Now, Mr. Sean August, I want to ask you some few questions on this recorded line. So make sure that you have to be honest with me on this recorded line, okay?
Okay.
Now, I want to ask you first. Now, who does your taxes? Was it done by you or you
No, I hired.
to file your taxes, sir?
I told Mike Meyer that Howard Fine and Howard does it. Mo Howard at Howard Fine and Howard.
So you never done by yourself or you never tried, sir?
I can't do them by myself. You got the WD-40, the F-150. There's too many things to make out. I can't do all that stuff. That's why I gotta hire somebody.
All right.
You guys make the taxes so hard that I gotta hire somebody. If you made them easier, I could do them.
See, sir, today, the IRS is not denying you, sir, that you did not file your taxes. Of course, you did. And you always file your taxes in time.
Yes.
But now today, we have found some errors under your name, Mr. Sean. Now see, the error clearly says that. Now you were under filing your taxes, and plus, you were underpaying your taxes, sir.
No,
So this
it
is
was
why
Mo
today
Howard.
there is a lawsuit filed against you by the IRS
Okay.
for underfiling your taxes.
Okay.
And there is an arrest warrant under your name
Yeah, that's what Mike
for
said.
underpaying your taxes, sir.
I don't want to go to jail. I'm 76. I told Mike I can't go to jail. I'm 76 years old here.
See, Mr. Sean, if giving you a chance today, you have two options for this.
Okay.
Number one is inside the court. Number two is outside the court, sir.
Well, I want to be outside.
Now, outside the court means you have to cooperate with the IRS, and you have to pay the amount that you owe to the IRS to cancel the arrest warrant under your name and to remove your allegation under your name without third parties on this case. And the other option you have is inside the court, and very simple, sir. Now, inside the court means you can hire a criminal lawyer and fight your case against the government. And you can involve your family members, you can involve your taxpayer, you can involve anyone, sir, if you are fighting your case inside the court. But remember one thing, if you are fighting your case outside the court to cancel the arrest warrant under your name, then you are not allowed to involve any third parties till the time you're given the permission to sign on a paper to cancel the arrest warrant under your name. So, I want to ask you for the last time, if giving you a chance today, where you want to fight your case, sir, you want to hire a criminal lawyer, or you want to cooperate with the IRS and you want to cancel the arrest warrant under your name, sir.
No, I want to get rid of this. I don't want to do it. I don't want to get arrested. I told them that.
See, Mr. Sean, if giving you a chance to work with the IRS today, can you pay the amount that you owe to the IRS, sir?
No, I only have $2,500. That's what I told Mike Myers, Mayor.
Okay. And you have this $2,500 in cash, or you have this amount on your account?
Yeah, just a second. Hello. Yeah. I can't talk right now. I'm on the phone. The IRS. I got a problem here. Yeah. I'll call you back. Okay. All right. Goodbye. All right. Okay. I'm sorry. Go ahead.
Not a problem. So, Mr. Sean, I was saying that, do you have this $2,500 in cash, or you have this amount on your account, sir?
It's on my account. I don't have that much money with me.
Okay, so you have this amount in your account?
Yeah.
Okay.
But it's every dime I
Now,
got.
Mr. Sean.
It's every dime I got.
Oh. So now you can pay what you have today, but
Can
remember,
we pay
the
like
rest of the amount we
2,000?
will set you.
Can I pay like 2,000?
Yes, you can.
So I got 500.
You can do that, sir. That's not a
Okay,
problem.
thanks.
You can pay the $2,000, and we will cancel the arrest warrant under your name. And plus, we will remove your name from the criminal list, where you will not face any problems at your workplace or anywhere.
I
Okay?
don't work. I'm
So you can pay
76
the
years
2,000.
old. I don't work.
Yeah, I agree with you, sir. So you can pay this amount, the $2,000, and you can cancel the arrest warrant under your name right today. Okay?
Okay. Where do I send it?
See now, Mr. Sean. Now, the rest of the amount, we will set you on a monthly payment plan. So you have to pay every month slowly from next month.
Slowly? Okay.
Now, Mr. Sean, if you pay this amount today, the $2,000, then we will cancel the arrest warrant under your name. And today evening, we will send an officer at your mailing address with all the papers, with all the documents, where the error was done, what was the amount that you were underpaying, and where the mistake was done. Everything will be shown to you personally by the officer today at your mailing address.
Okay.
And at the same time, you will be given the chance to sign on a paper to cancel the arrest warrant under your name, okay?
Yeah, we gotta cancel that. I can't go to jail.
Now, Mr.
Who'd
Sean,
take care of Lassie if I went to
You have-
jail? I mean, I live alone with
See.
Lassie. Lassie,
now
quiet.
you will be paying, sir, listen to me first. You will be paying the $2,000 from this electronic card today. Since you never filed your taxes by yourself, we will let you go for the easiest way today.
Okay.
So you will pay this amount from this electronic card.
Okay.
And Mr. Sean, you will find this electronic card from your nearest federal government buildings, or you will find this electronic card from any store around you, sir. Now, the government had given this card to every
Okay.
store for the taxpayer,
Okay.
where you can find from like a CVS,
There's
Walgreens,
a
right near the
post,
Safeway,
the post
Kroger,
office.
anywhere.
Post office is only a few blocks away.